Passabas and DeepMind research scientist Jack Parker Holder wanted to show us Genie 2, a world model that uses images to create interactive 3D environments.
This is a photograph taken by someone in our team somewhere in California. And what we then do is ask Genie to convert this into an interactive world. So we prompt the model with this image, and Genie converts it into a game-like world that you can then interact in. Every further pixel is generated by a generative AI model.
So the AI is making up this scene as it goes along?
Exactly, yes. Someone from our team is actually playing this. They're pressing the W key to move forwards. And then from that point onwards, every subsequent frame is generated by the AI.
Parker Holder told us these models could eventually train AI agents to accomplish tasks in these environments.
We've created this world with 3 different arches, where on the left we see some nice plants. In the middle, it's an opening which we don't quite know what's in there. And on the right, there's a staircase. And rather than a human playing, we take one of our most capable AI agents and we say, can you actually go up the staircase for us? And as it's climbing the stairs, the Genie world model is creating the world around it on the fly and sort of imagining what's up there.
Effectively, you've got one AI system playing in the mind of another AI system. So you've got one generating the world and the other one is moving around and accomplishing goals in that world.
And the practical implication of that would be what?
So, of course, there's lots of implications for entertainment and generating games and videos, but actually the bigger goal is building a world model, a model that can understand our world. You could imagine future versions creating almost an infinite variety of different simulated environments which the AIs can learn from and interact in, and then translate that to the real world.
So if you had a full-sized robot, for example, you wouldn't train him on how to navigate the world out in the street in front of the building.
No.
You would put him in this scenario so that he could figure out how to climb stairs.
That's right. It's much harder to collect data in the real world, much more expensive, much slower, for example, robotics data. But in simulator worlds, you can sort of collect almost an unlimited amount.
We wondered if Google could use the trove of geographic data that's at its fingertips to advance this technology. Google has access to almost infinite data. You've got Google Maps, you've got Street View, you've got Google Earth. Could all of those data be collected together in order to train AI agents?
That's what we're exploring at the moment, actually, is both ways. So potentially using Street View kind of data to give real-world understanding and geographical understanding to our AI systems. And then on the other hand, you can imagine things like this, bringing to life static images of real places, whether it's your own holiday photos or actually Street View views, which are static currently, and actually making them interactive and 3D so you can look around the place itself.